How's it going, everybody? It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing, but here is one. These are a pair of shoes that I bought on an app called GOAT, and I know I read a lot of reviews how GOAT is bad and all that stuff, but I've been wanting these shoes. What kind of shoes are they? These are the Nike's Air Max Post Roam in Dragon Red, and the reason why I wanted these is because I went to a Nike factory outlet store and I saw these on the clearance shelf, and man, they really caught out to me. I really love that red. That red was awesome because it matches my Lexus interior, the maroon red, and I should have bought it when I was over there, but I didn't. So I know GOAT received a lot of bad reviews from people saying, you know, it's fake or it's not, you know, not real. These shoes are not authenticated correctly. So I want to know your guys' opinion. Here's the box. Here we go. Nike Air Max Post Roam 10.5 Dragon Red. I mean, you guys have to tell me if this is real or not. Let's open it up. Some from GOAT right here. I think it took 3 weeks just to get the shipment in. Assurance of authenticity. It doesn't say anything else. And here it is. The Nike Air Max Post Roam Red. I wish I had the other shoes so I can tell which one's fake or not. You guys gonna have to tell me. But I do love this. This really caught my eye. Man, this is sick. Is this Nike logo supposed to be backwards? The tongue has the tongue in there. Not sure if you guys can see that. Wow, even the little stitching inside of it says air. I think it says air. Some kind of lettering in here. We'll sniff test. I can't tell. Has a Nike stitching in here as well. Is this thing backwards? I don't know. You guys gotta tell me. Is this legitimate or is it fake? You guys tell me. You guys are the experts. But yeah, these are the Nike Air Max Post Roam in Dragon Red. It's just the color. The color really got me. Alright guys, take it easy.